Hello guys, welcome back to Leadership April. Today I will be showing you how to cook a delicious Pinoy dish. It's been a long time since I posted a cooking video, so now I will share with you my chicken afritada with a twist. So let's get started. For those of you who are not familiar, chicken afritada is a popular Filipino dish made with chicken, potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes, cooked in a savory tomato sauce. So, those are the ingredients. Pero guys, sa recipe na ito, we're taking up a notch with the added creaminess and richness from the cheese. In a cooking pan, we heat the oil and then saute the potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and onion. Just continue cooking until maging light brown na yung carrots, potatoes. And then after that, hanguin natin and then set it aside for later use. And then after that, in the same pan, we will be sauteing the garlic until maging aromatic na siya. And then we will be adding also the onions. And then just continue cooking hanggang maging transparent na yung onion. And then after that, we will be adding the chicken. At this point, we will now adding the chicken and then we will continue to cook the chicken until golden brown on all sides. So at this point, we will now adding the fresh tomatoes. And then we will just continue cooking until maging soft na yung tomatoes. At this point, malambot na ang tomatoes. Kaya naman, we will adding the tomato sauce, soy sauce, sugar, at water. And then, haluin lang natin, then takpan, and let it simmer until 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Check the chicken and then haluin para hindi masunog yung nasa ilalim. And then if you think the chicken or the sauce was too thick, you can also add water. Depende na po sa inyo yan, gaano kalapot ng sauce na gusto niyo. At this point, we will now adding the vegetables and then haluin. Tapos, after that, takpan natin. And then, we will continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Are you hungry, guys? It's cooked na. Just a minute na lang. At this point of the video, we will now adding pepper and salt according to your taste buds. Continue stirring and then cover and then let it boil. Actually, habang nagluluto ako, yung pamangkin ko laging tinatanong, "Tita, it's cooked na ba?" Kasi they knows na may cheese yung ulam nila. So, yun, favorite ko ng cheese. At this point, we will now adding the cheese. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung cheese na ginamit ko dito. Nakita ko lang siya inside our fridge. But I think this cheese, ito yung grill namin. Galing ito kay mama sa work niya sa City Super. Nakita ko lang siya inside our fridge. But you can also use any kind of cheese na cheddar or kaya yung mga melting cheese like Gouda, Swiss, mozzarella, feta, okay din, mga goat cheese, yeah, okay rin siya, mga cream cheese, yung quick melt, of course, cheddar, yung Eden cheese, yun yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng cheese. Napakaraming klase ng cheese. Nakikita ko siya dun sa work ni Mama sa City Super. Kung nandito kayo sa Hong Kong and then mapadaan kayo ng City Super, doon kayo makakakita ng mga iba't ibang klase ng cheese. But I am not saying na doon lang. Which is, makakakita lang kayo ng mga iba't ibang klase ng cheese din doon sa City Super. Like yung mga blue cheese, ganun. So, balik tayo sa aking niluluto. So, at this point, melt na yung cheese. Pwede na siyang hanguin. There you have it. Our chicken afritada with cheese ay ready to serve. Sigurado magugustuhan ito ng buong pamilya, especially sa mga bata. Kaya naman, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.